Hello, this is Norm McKay introducing our certified pre-owned car of the week. This week features our
2022 Lexus ES350. This eminent white ES has only 20,847 miles and it has been marked down to sell at only $39,991. This front-wheel drive 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine and receives a combined fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon. This vehicle comes with an abundance of safety features including the pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and intelligent high beams. Some of the vehicle's highlights include heated and ventilated seats, power moonroof, and an 8-inch display complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
All Lexus certified vehicles go through a rigorous 161-point inspection. They also come with an unlimited mileage warranty for up to 6 years. Your next 4 scheduled maintenances, no matter what the cost in the manual, are all covered 100%. And access to all of Fields Matters amenities are included with complimentary car washes and free cafe for breakfast and lunch.